As all of you know that a spectacle that is used to wear in the eyes for the protection for various kinds of effects such as dust particles, hypermetropia, myopia and blue rays. And by the use of high-tech spectacle, we can prevent all these type of defects in our eyes by the use of high-tech spectacle, which contains a smart feature that can prevent our eyes from various factors in a single use. It will have it contains a smart sensor that will detect the defect in the eyes, as well as it will enable the goggles to adjust the focal length of the lenses according to the power of accommodation of eyes. It means suppose that you have a hypermetropia and which type of lens should be prescribed by the doctor, it will always detect to your eyes and it will adjust its focal length and it will you will get rid of from the hypermetropia. And if you are facing from the myopia, same cases will be there. It will act for the detection of the myopia and it will act as a prescribed sensor, prescribed goggles. It will have a smart chip that will record the data related to the eye defect and that will provide you assistance when you are going for the checkups physically. Next, it will have a night vision quality, zoom in, zoom out capability, cooling effect in sunshine. Suppose that you are going outside in sunshine, then you will feel cool. And it will have a night vision quality. Even in the darkness, you can easily see even a small needle as well. In case of power supply gets cut off in there, then you can easily read your books, newspapers, you can cook food even in the darkness. I am telling this is very big fact that when there is darkness in the room, then you cannot do anything. But by the use of this goggles, you can do all the things whatever you want in the darkness. It will be able to change if the color in case of any emergency can be used in the water as well. And suppose that you are going for the swimming, you can use this spectacle. It will has water resistant quality as well as it will provide the best facilitation to you in case of emergency by changing its color. Suppose that you are going for the eye checkup and after operation of the eye, black goggle is prescribed, so it will change its color and it will provide the best assistance. Next, this is the some feature that are enabled here, and this has been taken from downloaded from Google. This is now this is an idea that is in my mind, but my spectacle will be more modified in comparison to that. Thank you very much.